Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A leadership assessment is a valuable tool practitioners can use to help clients maximize their potential and enhance their leadership skills. As a practitioner, administering a leadership assessment can give you an in-depth understanding of your client's leadership style and capabilities. These assessments comprehensively evaluate a client's ability to lead, make decisions, navigate conflict, and work effectively within a team. They help identify strengths and highlight areas for improvement, enabling you to tailor your coaching or therapeutic approach to meet each client's unique needs. For instance, if your client excels in strategic thinking but struggles with communication, you can focus on strengthening their interpersonal skills. Alternatively, if a client demonstrates strong leadership potential but lacks confidence, you can work together on building self-esteem and assertiveness. To use our free leadership assessment, follow these steps. Download our leadership assessment from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Before your client begins the assessment, ensure they understand the purpose and nature of the questions. The questions are designed to gauge various aspects of leadership skills, including decision-making abilities, communication, strategic thinking, and emotional intelligence. Assure them that there are no right or wrong answers. Their aim is to identify their unique strengths and areas for development. Encourage your client to answer each question honestly, reflecting on their typical behavior rather than how they think they should act. Once your client has completed the questionnaire, review the results together. Each response corresponds to a particular leadership trait, allowing you to identify areas where your client excels and where they might need improvement. Based on the printable strengths and weaknesses assessment results, work with your client to develop an action plan tailored to their needs. After implementing the action plan, monitor your client's progress and reassess their leadership skills periodically. This will help you track their growth, adjust the action plan as necessary, and continue supporting them in their leadership development journey. Here is a sample of our leadership assessment, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our leadership assessment, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.